Mom, we've been sitting here for an hour. Yes, I know. Honey, it opens in 2 more minutes, okay? After 2 minutes has passed. Come on, you can sit in the car, Crystal. Do you know what you want? A big tricycle, and for Crystal, changing water. Okay, honey. Let's go in. Now that changing water thing, sure. That's only $1.50. Do you have a tricycle that can be for little kids? Of course. Dingy. Get out. Let me just put that together for you. Honey, stop it. Oops, other way. Where are those old glasses? Oh, here they are. Let me put them on. Ooh, things. Perfect. No, not perfect. Perfect enough. Aren't I beautiful? Let's see here. $59. I can do 59. Get these glasses off me. Yeah. Things. Ow. Give me that. Give me my money. No! That would be $59. Just take it or leave it. Okay. Here's your chance.
Take it or leave it.
Now take it. Thanks. Take my stupid glasses. Yeah.